Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Veggie Kare Kare. This beloved Filipino stew is traditionally made with oxtail, but we are creating a delicious plant-based version. It is famous for its rich, savory peanut sauce and vibrant color, often served during special occasions. Our Veggie Kare Kare will be just as flavorful and satisfying, perfect for a hearty meal. Get ready to learn how to prepare this wonderful dish with fresh vegetables and a creamy sauce. Let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful Veggie Kare Kare. You will need about 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, which forms the heart of our sauce. For that signature orange hue, prepare 2 tablespoons of annatto seeds or 1 teaspoon of annatto powder. We will also use 1 medium eggplant, 1 bundle of string beans, and 1 banana blossom. Don't forget 1 cup of bok choy and 1/4 cup of toasted ground rice to thicken our delicious sauce. Now let's dive into the cooking process. First, sauté your minced garlic and sliced onions until they become fragrant. Next, add the annatto oil to infuse color, followed by vegetable broth. Stir in the peanut butter until you achieve a smooth, creamy sauce. Begin by adding the harder vegetables, such as eggplant and banana blossom, allowing them to cook until tender. Finally, incorporate the softer vegetables like string beans and bok choy, cooking them just until they are crisp tender. To enjoy your delicious Veggie Kare Kare, serve it hot with a generous portion of steamed white rice. Traditionally, this dish is accompanied by bagoong alamang, a savory fermented shrimp paste, which adds a wonderful salty contrast. If you prefer a vegan option, you can use a plant-based bagoong or a simple salted vegetable relish. For an extra touch, garnish your Kare Kare with some toasted peanuts or a sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions. Enjoy your homemade Filipino feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.